going to be eating this fruit now.
Are you?
Hello guys, today we are in South Africa, in Johannesburg. Do you know today is holiday in South Africa? Human Rights Day. We are celebrating the Women Rights Day in South Africa. Let me take you to this restaurant. I want Nigerian food. How are you, Peter?
When did you come back? Let me take this one. When did you come back?
2 weeks back.
Last time I saw you in Brazil.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, no, your people are very established there. That food was delicious. We call it pap and okra. Pap and okra, Nigerian food. Guys, do you know it's more than 20 years that I know this restaurant? I think it's actually the first Nigerian restaurant in Braamfontein. More than 2 decades that restaurant is there. I can recommend this restaurant to you. Pizza restaurant in Braamfontein. Yes, the food was. Quick one, guys. There's a lot of traffic jam here in Braamfontein. You guys can see we are in front of Chicken Licken. Yeah, Chicken Licken. This place is very busy with students, as you can see. Guys, when last have you been in Braamfontein in Johannesburg? You got also a lot of office in this building. Yeah, these debonnaires in Braamfontein. Actually, on my left here is FMB. So let's go down. There is no much people on the street today. Of course, we are in holiday, Human Rights Day. So many offices are not open. This place, like I say in the beginning, is more for students in the offices. also some college around here. Just like some few meters from here, down there you got Rosebank College, one of the big college here in Braamfontein, even in South Africa actually. What I like in Braamfontein is this building make the place beautiful. I don't know what is going on, but it seems like Braamfontein is a little bit dirty to compare to maybe 2 years back, 5 years back, 10 years back, or 20 years back. I remember 30 years back, this place was another paradise. But I believe, because the president say he's going to restore Johannesburg, I believe we're going to have that light of Johannesburg again. As you can see, this big building, this is Rosebank College. Guys, this is new in Braamfontein. This building on my left is actually a student accommodation. You know, this building is situated in the center of Braamfontein, opposite Vet University and opposite Rosebank College and other college around this place. This is Braamfontein of today. If you know much about Braamfontein, please guys, do give me a comment below. How was Braamfontein 5 years back, 10 years back, 20 years back, 30 years back? What make a difference in Braamfontein today? Yeah, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget also to subscribe, share the video, like, comment. Vet University. This university got actually many entrance. I'm taking you like this in one of the main entrance of the university. So you can see the entrance here in my right of Vet University. And I might be ending my video soon. today is actually a human rights day in South Africa. So today is a holiday. That's why you can see me walk around. And you could also see how Braamfontein was actually empty because it's a holiday. There was no activity in Braamfontein. I was passing by, and that's why I thought I could show you how Braamfontein looked like. As you can see here in front of me here. For those who doesn't know, this university. Yeah. This is a VAT University. Yeah, the entrance, one of the entrance actually. Guys, if you enjoy what we do in this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, and share the content. Fokou Media. Wherever you go, you see Fokou Media. Wherever you go, Fokou Media is there. Yeah, wherever you go, Fokou Media will be there.